Hi everyone, this is Dr. G. Arun Kumar, lecturer in commerce from Dr. V.S. Krishna Government Degree and PG College, Autonomous, Visakhapatnam. Today I would like to discuss a very important topic in the subject business organization, that is the relation between trade, commerce and industry. Right. So before we go into the relation between trade, commerce and industry, let us see the definitions for trade. Now what is trade? Trade is simply an exchange of goods and services, and it can be local and global. For example, a grocery store selling goods to the customer is an example of trade. Again, a hotel offering a food items to a customer is a trade. Now a trade can be local, that is within the local area, or it may be global, or it may be international trade. Then a trade is basically done for profit driven. So every trader, his aim is to earn profit in when he is selling the goods. Now let us see the second definition, that is commerce. Now what is commerce? Commerce is nothing but the exchange of goods and services between individuals and organizations, and it also includes various other services like insurance, banking, transportation, distribution and also warehouses. And the commerce activities are generally involved on a large scale basis also. Now for example of commerce is all the retail outlets which are offering their products and services to the customers come under this retail come under commerce. And even today e-commerce websites like Amazon selling its products, Flipkart are also examples of commerce. Now let us see what do you mean by industry. So industry refers to a place where the manufacturing of goods and services takes place. So it is a place where the goods which are in raw material form are converted into finished goods by using some technology, and whatever goods are being offered by trade and commerce are being marketed and distributed by industry. So best examples are, we can say a software company comes under software industry, or a steel plant is example of industry which manufactures steels by converting the iron ore into different shapes of steels. Now coming to the differences, right. So basically the business the trade involves only the buying and selling of goods and services, whereas commerce includes not only buying and selling, it also includes the other trade related activities like insurance, banking, transportation, warehousing and distribution. So in trade the working capital is very less because there is only a trading activity, whereas in commerce it requires some more amount of capital, since it also includes other ancillaries to trade. Whereas coming to in a industry, it includes it requires a large amount of capital, because to set up a factory, to set up a manufacturing unit, you require larger amount of capital. And coming to risk, in trade there is a very minimum risk, because you are not manufacturing anything, you are only purchasing from one trader and you are selling to the customer. So it involves very less risk or no risk, whereas in commerce there is some moderate risk. And coming to industry, there is a larger amounts of risk to be bared, because all of a sudden if there is no demand for the products which are already manufactured, there is a risk of losing all your money. So industry involves a large amount of risk, whereas in trade there is minimum risk. And coming to the dependence, trade and commerce are interrelated, whereas industry largely depends on the products and services which are being offered by this trade and commerce. So industry depends mostly on trade and commerce, whereas trade and commerce are two independent business setups. So finally we can conclude that there is a synergistic relationship between trade, commerce and industry. These three are interdependent on each other, right, and if they work together, there will be a boosting to the country's economic progress and development. And when you understand clearly the relation between the trade, commerce and industry, okay, it will help to navigate the new business landscapes. Thank you.